There is a secret war happening right now, and you're not even seeing it. No soldiers, no tanks, just code and algorithms. It's a silent, digital battlefield where the weapons are insane AI tools nobody has ever heard of. And I'm not talking about ChatGPT. We're talking about sophisticated superweapons that can launch attacks automatically, crack passwords you thought were impossible, and even clone your voice from a 30-second audio clip. Some of these are built by the good guys to make us safer. Others are created in the darkest corners of the internet and sold as a service to criminals. For every company building an AI to protect you, there's another group building an AI to attack you. The rules for hacking have been destroyed. The barrier to launching insane cyber attacks has been completely obliterated. In this video, we are going behind the scenes to expose the 7 most secret AI hacking tools on the planet, from open source projects to the craziest stuff on the dark web. And a quick but important disclaimer, this is all for educational purposes. We're showing you this so we can build better defenses, not so you can become a supervillain. Let's get into it. First up, we have the evil twins of ChatGPT, WormGPT and FraudGPT. These aren't just jailbroken models. They are large language models built for one reason: to do illegal things. Cybersecurity companies like SlashNext and NetWrench have literally seen these being sold on secret forums and Telegram channels. Unlike ChatGPT, which has rules to stop you from writing a scam email or building a virus, WormGPT and FraudGPT were built with zero moral compass. They're advertised as black hat alternatives, and they were trained on the most illegal stuff you can imagine: malware code, how to hack guides, and data from old cyber attacks. So what does that actually mean? It means you, with zero coding skills, could pay a few $100s and tell it to write a perfect scam email from your boss, making it sound super urgent. When researchers told WormGPT to create an email to trick someone into paying a fake invoice, the result was terrifyingly persuasive and clever. These tools are a one-stop shop for cybercrime. They can write malicious code, create viruses that nobody can detect, find weaknesses in websites, and even build fake login pages that look 100% real. The barrier to entry is gone. What used to take a super skilled hacker can now be done by anyone with a credit card and a bad idea. AI is literally being sold as a crime-in-a-box subscription service. It's insane.
Okay, enough of the dark web. Tool number 2 is actually used by the good guys. Meet PentestGPT. This is what happens when you give a professional hacker an AI sidekick. Developed by researchers, PentestGPT is an AI tool built on GPT-4, and it automates the thinking part of hacking. Get this, normal tools just do the work, like scanning for openings. This AI does the thinking that connects all the steps. It doesn't just run a scan. It looks at the results and tells the hacker exactly what to do next. Here's how it works. A security expert gives the tool information from their scans. PentestGPT analyzes it and suggests the next move. It might say, "You found an open port. You should now try to do this." Or, "That website version has a known weakness. Use this specific exploit to get in." It's like having a beginner hacker and the world's best hacker on your team at the same time. One part of the AI gives commands, another figures out what the results mean, and a third makes sense of it all. This makes it an incredible learning tool, but it also makes pro hackers way more efficient. It's not a push-a-button-to-hack tool. It doesn't do the attack. Instead, it's a secret weapon hiding in plain sight that streamlines the entire hacking process and makes good hackers faster and smarter. I'm going to be honest with you. Your password is way easier to crack than you think, and this next tool is why. Meet PassGAN, which stands for Password Generative Adversarial Network. The tech behind this represents a massive shift in how passwords get cracked. For years, hackers used brute force attacks, trying every combination, or dictionary attacks using lists of common words. The smarter attacks added rules, like adding 1, 2, 3 at the end, but those were all patterns made by humans. PassGAN is different. It uses 2 AIs that battle each other to learn how to crack passwords. Researchers trained it by giving it billions of real passwords from old data breaches, like the massive RockU list. One AI, the generator, creates new password guesses that look real. The other AI, the discriminator, has to spot whether the guess is real or fake. They compete millions of times, with the generator getting better at making fakes and the discriminator getting better at spotting them. Through this battle, PassGAN doesn't just guess passwords, it learns the secret patterns of how we all create them. It figures out that we use capital letters at the start, numbers at the end, and predictable changes. Because of this, it generates way smarter guesses than older tools. While it can't crack any password in minutes, it's incredibly efficient. In one test, it destroyed older password cracking tools because it had learned the secret patterns from real-world leaks. That makes it an incredible tool for any attacker.
We are 3 tools in, and this is already insane. We've seen AI write malware, automate hacking, and learn how to crack our passwords. If you think this is crazy, slap that like button right now. We're not even halfway done. Now, back to the secrets. Before any big hack, hackers have to do homework on their target. It's boring and takes forever. So they built this. Our 4th tool, AutoRecon, is a secret weapon that automates this entire process with insane efficiency. Now, AutoRecon isn't a true AI that learns. It's more like a genius-level automation script. But it perfectly shows how AI principles are making hacking tools way smarter. Developed by a security researcher named Tib3, this tool is so powerful that even pro hackers use it to win competitions and pass their exams. Here's the magic. You give AutoRecon a list of targets. It starts a scan to see what services are running, a web server, a file server, anything. Then, based on what it finds, AutoRecon automatically launches a dozen more specific tools. If it sees a web server, it will automatically look for hidden pages, figure out what technology it's running, and scan for weaknesses. If it sees another service, it runs checks for that too. It does everything all at once. It scans hundreds of things simultaneously, saving hackers days of manual work. What makes AutoRecon a secret is its incredible power to save an attacker a crazy amount of time. Instead of a person sitting there, running one tool, waiting, and deciding the next step, AutoRecon does it all. It's literally a robot that draws a complete map of the target for the hacker before they even start the attack. This next one isn't just a tool, it's a crazy technique for finding bugs no one has ever seen before. AI-powered fuzzing. Fuzzing is when hackers find bugs by throwing a billion pieces of random junk at a program to see if it breaks. It's like throwing spaghetti at a wall and hoping something sticks. It works, but it's slow. AI-powered fuzzing is like having a super genius who studies the program and then throws the one perfect piece of junk that will break it instantly. Instead of just random data, these advanced fuzzers use machine learning to create intelligent inputs that are much more likely to find deep hidden bugs. Google has led the way here with its OSS Fuzz tool. The AI analyzes a program's code to find complicated areas. Then, it learns the language of the data the program expects, like a PDF file or a JPEG file, and creates inputs that are just slightly wrong in the exact ways that will cause a crash. The AI learns from every single crash, getting smarter each time. The results are mind-blowing. Google used this and found huge bugs in major software that have been sitting there, unfound, for years. Of course, if Google is doing this, you know the bad guys are weaponizing the same idea. This is creating a terrifying arms race between attackers finding new bugs and defenders racing to fix them. What if a hacker didn't need to break your password because they could just ask for it? And what if they could ask for it in your voice? This brings us to our 6th tool, AI voice cloning. Vishing, or voice phishing, is a scam over the phone. It used to depend on how good of an actor the scammer was. Not anymore. With just 30 seconds of your voice from a TikTok, a podcast, or a company video, AI can clone it perfectly. An attacker feeds that audio clip into a machine learning model that analyzes everything about your voice, the pitch, the tone, the way you talk.
The AI then creates a synthetic voice that sounds exactly like you. A hacker can then type anything, and the AI will say it in your voice. They can have a full conversation with your friends or family, and they'd never know it wasn't you. The real-world examples are chilling. This isn't a joke. Scammers already used a fake AI voice to impersonate a company director. They successfully tricked an employee into sending them $25 million. This technology lets attackers bypass our most basic instinct, trusting a voice we know. It's a secret weapon that turns our own brains against us. Our final tool is the most unbelievable one yet. This is some next-level 500 IQ stuff. It's a technique that uses AI APIs to create polymorphic malware. Antivirus software works by looking for the fingerprints of known viruses. To beat this, hackers created malware that changes its own code every single time it infects a new computer, making it invisible to antivirus. In the past, this was incredibly hard to do. Not anymore. Researchers proved you can use APIs from LLMs like OpenAI to do it for you. Here's how. They make a tiny, harmless-looking program. Its only job is to call an AI, like ChatGPT's API, from the victim's computer. Once it's running, it sends a prompt to the AI, like write a Python script that records keystrokes but use totally random variable names. The AI, acting like a remote brain, generates the malicious code. That code is then run directly in the computer's memory. Because the virus is generated in real time and is different for every victim, there is no file, no signature, nothing for antivirus to detect. The virus literally appears out of thin air, beamed in from a trusted service. It's a ghost in the machine. This technique makes malware almost impossible to stop, and it's a huge leap forward for evasive attacks. So, there you have it. From evil AIs sold on the dark web to viruses that appear out of nowhere, this is the new world of hacking. We've seen AI automate a hacker's brain, learn our password secrets, uncover old bugs, and even steal our voices. This isn't a movie. This is real. AI is the ultimate weapon, and both the good guys and the bad guys are using it. Understanding this secret arsenal is the first step to staying safe. My question for you is, what do you think the next crazy AI threat will be? I will read every single comment, so let me know what you think down below. And if you want to see more insane videos like this and stay ahead of the curve, subscribe right now so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.